You gotta hear it. You gotta see it to believe it. Yes, it's the Puppet Show Live.
Welcome, Puppet the Entertainer is here. Hi, Puppet.
All right, how you guys doing tonight?
All right,
Puppet,
all
good.
right. You can hardly see up over the thing.
Well, I'm 4'4". I am a midget, So you make this thing like 5 feet tall. No, you're just going to see the top of my head.
That's what I got.
But don't get any bright ideas, buddy. I know you're used to look at top of heads, but don't get any bright ideas. I'm going to tell you something. Midgets are the true stars of this country.
What?
Yes, midgets are the true stars. The day I came out of my mama, I said came out of my mama. You see this head, it's 78 pounds. All right, this is why we're oompa, boys. We have to balance this huge head on the top of our heads. All right? You're asking me, yeah, Puppet, you lift a lot of weights. Yeah, I got to lift this head up every day, brother. All right, what did the nurses and the doctors do right when they pulled me out? They stopped and stared. When I was a little child, an inch shorter, I was 4, what, 1? When a little child walking down the street, oompa, oompa, oopity-doo. What did all you long-legged people do? You stopped and stared. Every star wants to be stared at, right?
Yeah.
They work very hard. You got women out here getting the boob jobs, the lipo, the butt jobs, you name it, they're going to do it.
Yeah.
Man, why do they do it? They want to be stared at.
Yeah.
Do it for the red carpet. My front lawn is the red carpet. Every time I try to get my morning paper, I'm bending down, but hey, midget, let me get your picture. Get the hell out of here. Jesus.
Before the show, I always like to breastfeed my little baby. That little good little baby. All right, that's enough. Oh.
Scared to death. There we go. Yeah. I don't hit like a girl, Brady. Come on.
Like a man, Brady. Oh,
It's in.
it's in.
It's in. There we go.